Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from China. This is from a company called King David. And it's a chicken flavor, non-fried noodle. This is kind of like... So, this company does private labeling. So, hi, I'm Bob, and I own Bob's Widgets, and I want to have Bob's Widgets brand instant noodles. You'd go to these guys, say, hey, I want to make some widget noodles. They'd be like, all right, we'll make labels and everything. Do you want chicken? Do you want beef? Do you want a seafood one, or this or that? And then you go, yes, 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 and they make it, and they send it to you, and you sell it. Private label. Companies do that all over the place. You'll see something, oh man, I really like this one. They don't make it. They make the best No, they don't. They really don't. They're not making it. But I have an extra. There it is. There it is. Perfect. So, to not make a mess, I'm sitting this in here. The noodle block looks interesting. Check that out. Interesting. I'm a buzz, ladies and gentlemen. I'm interested in this. All right. Let's pour the water. Try not to make a mess on the stove, which I'm always good at doing. And to the line. 4 to 5 minutes. And we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes and a half. So we'll set that to the side for now. It looks like it's got there's a seasoning, and oh, look at that. 2 oil sachets, soy and I don't know. Maybe soy and sesame. I don't know. We'll find out. But yeah, how's it going? Yeah, I've been talking to the lady from this company a bit lately. She's really, really curious about what I'm going to think about these noodles. I wasn't planning on doing 4 reviews today. This is the 4th of the day. But I thought, you know, I've got chicken. I've got garnish. I can make these look pretty. And that's what I'm going to do. So there. And I've got 2 of them. They were nice. They sent 2 of 2 different varieties. There's a chicken and a beef. And so what I'll do is when I'm done with this one, I'll tear down the other one and, you know, take pictures of what's in it and scans and all that good stuff. So. But yeah, it'd be kind of neat to hit up these guys to do a private label instant noodle. Don't you think? I mean, you could do it for anything. Anything. If you have like a furniture store, you could have like Bob's Furniture brand instant noodles. Or if you had a golf shop, you could have Happy Time Golf Center instant noodle snacks. You know, there's just like it's endless. The only thing is, I'm sure when you buy like this, they don't do like 1 or 2. They're interested in selling you like a container, like a 40-foot. But it's kind of how it goes. But yeah, there's things called MOQs, minimum order quantity, because it's probably, I'm guessing, not too quick and easy to set up the printing thing for all the cups. And then the labels need to be put on the cups, and they need to be assembled. Plus, if you wanted to own like custom flavor, some companies don't do that. These guys might. I don't know. But yeah, if you go look on Google, just look up King David Instant Noodle Company, and I'm sure you'll find it right away. But yeah, and I think these are organic too. There's a lot of different stuff. The name King David kind of makes me think, yeah, these guys do a lot of stuff in Israel. It would make sense. And yeah. Yep. So finally we get a day. The last 4 days we've hit almost 90 degrees. Today, it's cloudy and dark. And I'm stuck at home with the kids. So I'm not getting out and doing a whole bunch of walking. Yeah. And tomorrow there's supposed to be possible thunderstorms, which I'm fascinated by that. That sounds like fun, but probably not going to go out walking in that. Yeah. And then this weekend it's supposed to be up in the upper 80s again. So it's just like, come on. Hopefully when they get back to school, I will have 8 hours a day to go crazy and do stuff. That's my plan is I'm trying to do like lots and lots and lots and lots of reviews. I think we'll be up to like 4368, maybe 66. And the last one I posted was 4226 or something like that. So it's like I'm way far ahead. I'm like months ahead of myself, and that's just on on posts. And I know episodes of the show are this one might be a December 1st episode. I don't know, but we'll see. It's nice to be that far ahead because I really basically want to spend September just getting top 10 lists ready and just exercising my freaking brains out. You betcha. Yeah, sure. You betcha. Okay, nice free flowing seasoning here. Smells chickeny. And here's our dual sachet of seasonings. Here we are. All right. Let's give her a stir. I feel like, maybe I was supposed to stir this noodle from the get-go. Ooh. That smells pretty good. Yeah, I think I was supposed to give it a stir first, but we'll see how it goes. Non-fried noodle from King David. The king! Alright. Put that back over here. Let's get you all close and personal with this noodle. Okay. Come on. Yeah, I'm not so great with chopsticks, and obviously I'm not so great with a fork either. I can't feed myself. Sure I can. All right. Cheers. A nice light noodle. Very thin, very good. There is the broth. That has an excellent chicken flavor. I'm impressed. I like that. I do like that. I like it. I didn't know what to expect. This is a good one. It's got a really nice oily chicken flavor, which is a good thing. All right. So hard to see on my camera dealie. Yeah, a little bit of veg going on in there. That's good. Okay. I want another bite. Yeah, that's quite good. I'm impressed. Very well. Very well done. All right, and then of course, we'll add in some chicken. Some bean sprout. Spring onion. Some seeds. And do I want to do that or that? Oh, that's a tough call. I'm going to go with crushed red pepper on this one. Yeah, I'm impressed. If you want a nice chicken instant noodle, this is a really good one. Cool. Thank you very much to Cher over at King David Noodles for sending this over. Good stuff. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Give them a try. Have a good one. Bye-bye.